In this problem, I'm going to use dimensional analysis to convert an insulin rate. I'm told that regular insulin is being infused and it needs to be infused at 12 units per hour. What's available to us is the regular insulin, and there are 50 units available in normal saline, and we have 100 milliliters of this normal saline. We need to determine the milliliters per hour rate that we need to set the pump. So what I'm going to do, I know the rate that the patient should be receiving the insulin. The rate that the patient should be receiving the insulin is 12 units per hour. 12 units per hour. What I need to know and what I should have when I'm done converting is a unit of milliliters per hour. Notice we already have hours, so there's no conversions that need to be done with that label in the denominator. What I need to do is to somehow change units into milliliters. And the only way I can do that, and at this point students will reach for the conversions to memorize, but that would be a mistake. The only way that we can convert units to milliliters is to consider what is available to us. What is the strength of the, in this case, insulin that we have? If we look back to the problem, we know that 50 units are in 100 milliliters. That means if I wanted to change units into milliliters, that's what I'm going to use. I want to change units into milliliters. So to cancel units, units needs to be in the denominator in order, since it's in the numerator in my first conversion, my first factor. The second factor should have units in the denominator, and I want to go from units to milliliters. I know the ratio in this example. There are 50 units, and they are contained in 100 milliliters. By multiplying 100 over 50, I will be canceling out units, and I would be converting that into milliliters. What I get up top would be 1,200. Down below, I would get 50. That will simplify to 24. I need to set the pump for 24 milliliters per hour. Again, we started with a rate that we knew must happen. The patient needed to receive 12 units per hour. We looked at the information and the medication available to us in order to cancel out one label, in this case units, and to go into another milliliters.